The environment. Wow, look at the sky. A single bird. Listen. Yeah, this is why I love nature. This is why I love this kind of peaceful place. You can, I think you are hearing a sound of a bird. Yeah, nice. So beautiful. Let's try to see the sun. Sun is getting down, and if we can some interesting thing here. Let's see that. Oh, it closed up again. Okay. So which way can we get out? Can we overpass through this wall of? Okay. Okay, I have to be careful because one of the stone may just fall on me. Fall on me. I have to be careful. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall down on that. Nice, okay. Get in, everybody. Oh my gosh, what happened? Please be careful. Be careful, bro. Yeah, this is. Yeah. You can see everything. We're gonna see. Look at the sun. The sun. የምትሉት ነገር የላችሁም እንዴ? እናንተ ምንም የምትሉት ነገር የለም? ነጠር የለም። No. Look at guys. My gosh, so beautiful. አምር ያምራላ ማርያም ያምራል። So beautiful. Look at ፀሐይዋ ምናምን እዚህ ውስጥ ነው። Can see. Look. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is Ethiopia. The Ethiopian people's environment. ምን ነው ኦኬ አሃ እንደ ግሪን ነገር ያየዋታ this is the mountain, you know. This is what the mountain looks like. I think you're looking there, the mountain. Oh, the sun is getting down and the sun sets. The sun is getting set. Yeah, sorry. Here it's look. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. That's Mountain Buhana. That's Mountain Buhana, everybody. Mountain Buhana. Yeah, that's Abat Gambara. Abat Gambara ይላል በቃ ማንዬ ብድረዋት guys say? Or say? Say anything you want. Nah, the draw sports in Saranaba. We were just using to do some physical exercise on this environment where we were kids. I told you, growing up on this mountain, how much it was, you know. አሁን ናይዱስም look at the beauties of this environment. It's so beautiful, everybody. Here you can see that green of the church. The church. That's a dog! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on, dog! Yeah. Oh, that's busy. Just come on this way. This side, I mean. Because be with me, you know. It's good. La 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 la. Do you have any? Do you have that? That's true. Look at everybody. Nice, nice, nice place, huh? I think you like the place. Give me freedom, you want to go. Huh? Can we go there around that Warka, Ganil Warka? Let's go to the Warka called Ganil Warka, everybody. Oh my God. Don't know this Warka. Warka የሚባል ነገር የምታውቁ ሰዎች ካላችሁ እዚህ ጋር we did something. Chewing gum. A local chewing gum made by the shepherds of this mountain. I used to do that when I was a kid. That's very interesting. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This, yeah, yes, it's a mountain. The mountain looks like a mountain, you know. Oh la la, ah, la 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 la, oh la la. Ah. አትችሉም? እስኪ በል ትችላለህ? አትችልም? ማም አትችልም? እስኪ እስኪ Huh? Here is another place. I'm gonna show you everybody. The most beautiful place. This is forest, not okay, let's get inside. Let's try. Let's try to see everything here. This is not Amazon actually. This is Ethiopia. We are in the Ethiopian forest land. Oh my god, oh my god. We may fall down and we have to work carefully. If we fall down, it may be difficult. Is that okay? It's good, I think. My god, my god, my god, my god. Down, 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 down. Oh, how we can go? How can we go? Look at. Difficult, I think, huh? Oh, it's good, you know? It's good, it's good, it's good. Let's try. Let's try to walk down. Let's try to walk down. Let's try to walk down. There may be hyena. Guys? No. No? In the earlier time, there was hyena here, everybody. But now, they are saying there is no. This is Ethiopia. 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 Not Amazon. Everybody, you can see what's going on here. Oh my god. We're trying to since oh my god. Again. Another one. Another one. We make a lot again. Trying to go this way. Can we just go down? Oh. Come on. This is amazing, eh? So good. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You can see. Where is the Zigta? This is a big tree. Warka. Oh, for Ethiopians and for my people who are just grown up on this environment, this is Ganil Warka. Dokma? Is there Dokma? Dedu, yeah. They are telling me the name of plant. Yeah. So let's get out again. Climb up again. Oh, Sabikabel. Can we go this way? Look at I'm trying to go out. This is the work. Huh? We're saying? We're saying? What did you say? What did you say, bro? Can we go? Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. This is like that. I have to go this way. I have to go this way. This is what the big tree looks like here. Look at the tree. So big. Could you climb? What? Yeah, this is a guitar, right? Yeah, a beautiful place. We visit. Oh. Come now. Africa unite. Africa unite. Unite for the benefit of your children. Sing. A thing from Bob Marley, king of reggae music, and a very amazing Pan-African singer from Jamaica, and promise for the land of Africa. Now the Bob Marley. Get up, start up for your right. Get up, start up for your right. እንደገና እስኪ አምጪ ደግሞ የአማርኛ ዘፈን ዘራፍ የዛለት ፈሪ ከጀግና የተለየለት አባሮ ተኳሽ አለ ይለውን አታመጪው አትችልም ሽሜ ሽመላሽ አይችልም ማለት ነው እንዴት አንተ ጎንደር ተወልደህ እንዴት አትችልም ጎንደር አካባቢ ተወልደህ ጎንደር ልጅ ሁነህ ይሄን አልቻልክም ማለት ችግር አለ ማለት ነው በቃ በቀላሉ ችግር አለብህ ማለት ነው ቻል አለብህ አንቺ ጎንደሬ እንዳገርሽ እንዳገሬ የሚለውንም አትችልም ተውደማም ደማማ ምናምን የሚለዋችሁ ደምየው ደማማ ምናምን ነገር ቆይ እኔም actually I'm not good that much, but I love and I respect the song, you know. Yeah. If things allow me, I'll try to show you what I'll think. My God, look at the environment, bro. The environment is so great and beautiful. You don't know, guys, how much I'm happy, how much I'm refreshing. The air, everything, so good and beautiful. Oh, I love this whole thing. Hi, ይበልጣል እንዴት ነህ? ደህና ባያ ፊት አለ ታዲ እንዴት ነህ? ሰላም look at እንዴት ነህልኝ? ደህና እንዴት ነው? You keeping cattle? ላም የጠበቅህ ነው? ኦኬ በጣም ጎበዝ ልጅ። ስንተኛ ክፍል ሆንክ? ስንተኛ ክፍል ነው? አንደኛ? grade 1? He's saying he's still grade 1. አንደኛ ነው እንዴ እስካሁን? ሁለተኛ። ኦኬ እንዴት ነው ትምህርት? በደንብ እየተማርክ ነው? ጎበዝ ነህ? ስንተኛ ወጣህ አንደኛ ክፍል? Really? You won? አንደኛ ነው የወጣው? No. Keep up your good work. He's saying he was the first rank in his class. He's grade 1 student. He's keeping cattle. So, ትችላለህ በደንብ ትምህርት? ምን ትምህርት ትወዳለህ? ምን ትምህርት ትወዳለህ? ምን ትምህርት ትወዳለህ? ንገረኝ። ጠይቅህ እኔ ሂሳብ. Oh, he's saying he loves so much and his favorite subject is mathematics. So we are having here one mathematician in the future. If we just help him, there's no way that he can't be. Definitely. Thank you, my bro. I will help you one day. Yeah, I will help you. Because, once I just did all the things that I'm planning, I will come back to my place and I will do some testing for those innocent kids. Everybody, look at. You don't have any chance of what reading, studying, and trying to improve his own academic activity. Instead, he's spending his life keeping those cattle, you know, the cattle he have. These are his family cattle. Look, one Ethiopian kid where he's how he spent his life with this age. So please, Ethiopians, please, 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 that's bad to do some unwanted activities, especially Ethiopian politicians. Look at this kid. Is it really what he deserves right now? I don't know. Yeah, it's not always. It's not. It's not the thing what he deserves. He shouldn't spend his time doing this kind of activity. It's always, it's common everywhere you go in Ethiopia to see kids doing this great responsibility, you know, for their parents, you know. So please, please, our politicians again, please, you are not just looking those kids. We know where your kids are learning. We know all the accesses your kid have. So please, 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 we know for what kind of activity you are spending the money you collect from those people, from those innocent kids' mouths. You know, please, 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 our leader, once more again, you're just killing, wasting my country's whales for war, for what I can't say. I don't know what I can say. God, please, because I know it takes to be some, you know, to be a revolutionarist. I know we have to be revolutionarist. I think that's the only way. I think. Look at this kid. What you can say, guys? He ate his, you know. አሁን ስንት ሰዓት ነው ምግብ የበላው? ምሳ የበላው ስንት ሰዓት? ጠዋት ነው። ጠዋት እንደመጣህ ነው ወይስ ምግብ በልተሃል? ቴልሚ ችግር የለውም ስንት ሰዓት ላይ? ውሸቱን ነው? እሺ ጠዋት ስንት ሰዓት ላይ ነው ምግብ የበላው? ኖ እያየህ ንገረኛ። ያው ከእኔ እዚህ ቪዲዮውን እያየህ ተናገር፣ ችግር የለውም። ስንት ሰዓት ነው ምግብ የበላው ጠዋት? ወደ ጠዋት እንደመጣህ ነው ላሞች ጋር በጠዋት ነው የመጣኸው? ስንት ሰዓት ነው የመጣኸው? ማለት በጠዋት ስልህ ጀስት ላይክ 5 ሰዓት ምናምን አካባቢ በቃ ምግብ የበላኸው 3 ሰዓት ምናምን አካባቢ ነው ምሳህን? Yeah, he's saying he ate his lunch local time 4:30 and still he didn't eat anything. He's keeping the kettle till the time gets down more, and because you know there's no space in his living house for take care and look after those cattle, so he's still just waiting the time to reach that this cattle again and get into their sleeping room, you know. So officials, Ethiopian official, do you have ear to listen to me, please? Look at this innocent kid and think what your kid have. Can you see? Can you see? Can you sleep looking this innocent kid? And how much you are just doing some lectures for your kid. We appreciate it's not something a comp, but you shouldn't forget the first and the pre-elemental duties we gave to you. You forget, you ignore everything, the responsibilities you have, and you are just having a luxury life with the money we gave you at the tax. And my smart mind kid spending his childhood life with this. He eat once a day. So I don't know what you think. Anyways, I love you, my bro. Well, God be with you, and we'll try to change this kind of situation. Anyways, በደንብ አንብብ. I will. So አታነብማ? ልታነብበት አለ መጽሐፍ ምናምን? Tell me ምንም ችግር የለውም. Dictionary. He's saying he want to have a dictionary. Okay, dictionary የለህማ? Oh, you have? Very good. So you are reading that dictionary for improving your English. He's saying because our education is given through English. Yeah, we are learning English, and that's why I'm speaking English right now actually. So he's trying to read a dictionary for knowing the meaning of those English words, and he wants to speak English like this. That's good because it's an international language, and it will help us to communicate with the outside world. No, that's very good. So በቃ አይዞሽ ይበልጣል ማለት የምትፈልገው ነገር አለ? ዩ አፍራይድ መናገር አትፈልግም? ኦኬ ያው ሶ በቃ እንገናኛለን። I will just try to give you something ሰጥሻለሁ። ያ ኦኬ anyways ምንም ችግር የለም። እሺ be strong again. I know this very strong. ጠንካራ ነህ። በቃ ሰላም በል። እንገናኛለን። እሺ I will come and we will meet. ሶ አትሄድም? እንዲያውም ወደ ቤት እየመሻ አይደለም? ኦኬ በቃ እንገናኛለን። እሺ አለው እንገናኛለን። በቃ ምንም ችግር የለው። አይዞሽ። So vast in Ethiopia, guys. Our kids, our innocent kids, are spending their childhood like this. You know, this was a time to apply, to explore, to enjoy with their parents. But taking this kind of great responsibility, there, I don't know. Don't know what officials we have. Those leaders, even. This is, you know, can't understand. This is so bad. Okay, this is the mountain a bit. This is the mountain looks like, and this is a stone of the mountain. So amazing rock now. Look at the rock. What the rock looks like. Look. See the rock. It's amazing rock. Again, the rock of this mountain.